Introduction. Welcome to our enlightening journey into the world of mindful eating. In today's fast-paced world, where meals often become an afterthought, we're here to explore how transforming your relationship with food can lead to a healthier, more joyful life. Mindful eating isn't just a diet or a fad. It's a philosophy that can change the way you think about food forever. Join us as we delve into what mindful eating truly means, its roots, its benefits, and how you can seamlessly integrate it into your daily life. What is mindful eating? Mindful eating is an ancient practice deeply rooted in Buddhist teachings, focusing on the present moment and acknowledging your senses and emotions while eating. It's about noticing the colors, smells, textures, and flavors of your food, about chewing slowly and appreciating each bite. But it's more than that. It's also about understanding your body's hunger and fullness cues, distinguishing between physical hunger and emotional eating. We'll explore how different cultures have embraced mindful eating and how it's more relevant today than ever in our fast food, quick consumption world. The science behind mindful eating. Diving into the scientific world, we find a wealth of research supporting the benefits of mindful eating. Studies from prestigious institutions have shown how this practice can positively impact weight management, mental health, and overall well-being. We'll look at groundbreaking research that links mindful eating with reduced symptoms of eating disorders, improved digestion, and even better management of chronic diseases like diabetes. Experts in nutrition and psychology weigh in on why mindful eating can be a game changer in our modern diet culture. Benefits of mindful eating. The benefits of mindful eating go beyond weight loss or diet control. It's about developing a healthier relationship with food. Imagine enjoying your meals without guilt, anxiety, or judgment. We'll explore how mindful eating can enhance your senses, making meals more enjoyable, and how it can help you become more in tune with your body's nutritional needs. From improved digestion to a deeper appreciation for the quality of food, mindful eating can transform your daily meals into a source of pleasure and nourishment. Mindful eating techniques. Let's get practical and talk about how to practice mindful eating. We'll go through a variety of techniques, from simple exercises like the raisin exercise to more comprehensive approaches like keeping a food diary. You'll learn how to eat slowly and deliberately, how to recognize when you're truly hungry, and how to enjoy your food without overeating. We'll also discuss common obstacles to mindful eating, such as busy schedules and food triggers, and provide tips on how to overcome them. Mindful eating in daily life. Integrating mindful eating into your daily routine might seem challenging, but it's easier than you think. We'll share inspiring stories of people who have made mindful eating a part of their everyday lives and the remarkable changes they've experienced. From busy professionals to stay-at-home parents, see how they've managed to practice mindful eating amidst their hectic schedules. We'll also provide practical tips for eating mindfully at work, during social events, and even when dining out. Challenges and solutions. Adopting a new eating philosophy isn't without its challenges. Distractions, emotional eating, and old habits can all pose obstacles to mindful eating. We'll address these challenges head-on, offering solutions and strategies to overcome them. Learn how to create a peaceful eating environment, how to handle emotional cravings, and how to stay mindful even when life gets chaotic. Mindful eating and emotional health. The connection between mindful eating and emotional health is profound. By paying attention to what, how, and why you eat, you can uncover emotional patterns and triggers related to food. We'll delve into the psychological aspects of eating, exploring how mindful eating can help manage stress, anxiety, and even depression. Hear from mental health professionals about the therapeutic benefits of mindful eating and real-life stories of individuals who found emotional healing through this practice. Advanced mindful eating practices. For those ready to take their mindful eating practice to the next level, we'll explore advanced concepts like mindful cooking and the journey of food from farm to table. Learn how to connect with the source of your food, understand the environmental impact of your food choices, and how to prepare meals mindfully. We'll also discuss the role of mindful eating in various dietary philosophies and how it can enhance your overall food experience. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of mindful eating, remember that this is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that can lead to a lifetime of healthier eating habits. We encourage you to start where you are, use the tips and techniques we've shared, and be patient with yourself. Every meal is an opportunity to practice mindful eating, to nourish not just your body, but your mind and soul as well. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more mindful, healthful, and joyful relationship with food. Thanks for watching!